Welcome to Business Central video series. This is Michael Pito from VISTAS Cloud. The fastest way to create multiple sales orders in one click is to use the bulk sales order creation app. It can be prepared in Excel by copying the template from Business Central. Fill out the necessary fields and copy them back to Business Central before clicking the Create Order button. This tool is also helpful to set up a new Business Central production environment. To create a bulk sales order, search for VISTAS Sales Header in the Tell Me window and select the related link. Select Edit List Action and copy the sales header line by pressing Ctrl-C from your keyboard and paste it to Excel by pressing Ctrl-V. Open VISTAS Sales Lines and copy the sales line and paste it into Excel. Enter the fields in the sales headers and lines. Copy the sales header table and paste it to Business Central VISTAS Sales Headers. Copy the sales line table and paste it to Business Central VISTAS Sales Lines. In the VISTAS Sales Headers, select Create Orders Action button. A bulk sales order has been created.